Keyframes can be used to make things move around your screen, such as stickers and emojis. Start by opening InShot. Go to Video and go to New. So blank and tick. Let's start with text. So click on text and type in the text that you want. And I want some more space. Let's drag this across a bit. To make the text move across the screen, start by dragging it to where you want it to begin. And line up the white line with where you want the text to start moving. So this one's at the very beginning of the frame. Press keyframe. Now, by the time the text vanishes, which would be here, I want it to be over here. And you'll notice as I let it go, a little green triangle pops up just in there automatically because we've already started keyframes. So because I've moved it, it's worked out what's going on and it's set up a new keyframe there. So we have the ending keyframe there, the beginning keyframe over here. And you can see as we drag through that time, it moves from the beginning keyframe to the ending keyframe like we've set up. Here's how it looks in real time. And there we go.